Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, BRB, Brian's Rebuild channel. Today we're still working on that 89 CRX that we have. We're working on the front suspension today. We got the new coilovers, alignment parts, and some brake lines. Hopefully we don't have any hidden issues, but if we do, we'll tackle it as we see it. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we are back. We have new suspension today that we got. We got some progressive coilovers, and we got some hard race upper control arms with alignment adjusters, and we got some nice braided stop tick brake lines because ours are pretty rotted out. They're getting old. Probably get some new brakes too, but we're gonna get out the stock suspension and get some good stuff in. Get that upper control arm, which is looking kind of weak, probably a little old too. Get this thing slammed down and looking better. So let's get started. Alright guys, we ended up finding one little issue. Little tie rod here. She is bad. I mean, look at that little wiggle there, here and there. But we got replacement Moog parts in today, so we'll be fixing that as well. Alright guys, as you can see, we got it all back together. We got the Moog outer tie rod, Nice and tight now. Doesn't move around, no play. Just help with the steering response. Pretty self-explanatory installing it. Take that castle nut off. Count how many times you rotate it out from the old one. Put the new one on. Count back to how many times you rotate it and tighten her down. It's got this nice little grease cap there. You can fill it up as needed. You got the stainless steel brake lines here. Pretty self-explanatory too. I pretty much started from here, worked my way down, tightened it up there, found a little loop that I wanted, and bolted it down. As for the coilovers and the upper control arm, basically removed that first, the old one, and then pulled it all out. Took that fork off, put the coilover on the OEM fork, and assembled it all back together. As for the alignment points, I just pretty much took a guess on it. Wait till I get to the alignment shop. I've done it before where I gotten it pretty close, but you don't know until you got some lasers pointing around telling you where the tires are at, but that's okay. Other than that, probably get some new rotors, maybe upgrade to the SI calipers on it. I know that you can upgrade these from the HF by using still the same knuckle, but we'll take a look and research about it. But other than that, we're going to start working on the back. We're going to do the trailing arms. We're going to do a disc swap. And we're going to do more stainless steel brake lines and the coilovers in the back. So keep watching. Alright guys, we got it done today. Got all the front suspension done. Everything's looking good. Next week we're going to be working on the rear drums and putting in the new coilovers and stainless steel brake lines on the back. Stay tuned.